Hi, it's Tim from
ORACLE-BASE.com.
In this video we'll demonstrate using Grant Connect Through to enable proxy authentication. Proxy authentication allows us to connect to a database user without having to know the user credentials. If you have multiple developers working in a shared schema, proxy authentication allows them to all log in with their own credentials, so they don't have to share credentials. We connect to a privileged user. We create a user called Schema Owner, which will act as our shared development schema. We're not going to create any objects in this demo, so we just grant the Create Session privilege. We create another user which we'll use for our proxy connection. We grant it the Create Session privilege. To allow MyUser1 to proxy to the Schema Owner, we issue Alter User Schema Owner, Grant Connect Through MyUser1. We check the proxy users view and we can see MyUser1 is the proxy and Schema Owner is the client. The Grant Connect Through syntax also allows us to control the enabled roles. If you're interested in that, check out the linked article. Now we can connect to the Schema Owner using the MyUser1 credentials. For the user we have MyUser1 and the client schema of Schema Owner in square brackets. Notice we're using the password for MyUser1 to make the connection. We use showUser, which tells us we're connected to the Schema Owner user. Once connected, we can use the sysContext function to get information from the user-env context. The session user, session schema and current schema are all Schema Owner. The proxy user value is MyUser1. The proxy user is recorded in all the records of the unified audit trail. We connect to a privileged user. We use the unified audit trail view to display the DB username and DB proxy username. We revoke proxy access using Revoke Connect Through. The proxy users view no longer contains the entry for MyUser1. Proxy authentication can come in handy for a number of DBA and development tasks. It's been available since Oracle 9i Release 2, but it's surprising how many people still don't know about it. Thanks for watching. As always, there are links to articles containing lots more information about this subject in the description box below.